Sariska. So they put a lot of pressure, and one of the major proponent of this particular program is unfortunately no more. He used all his political acumen and all his political contacts to scuttle up the program. But that time there was a very senior, rather the head of the force, Mr. Ramesh Malhotra. He was the chief conservator of forest and chief wildlife warden. He decided that we got to do something. The tigers must be brought. The government is willing, center government is willing to reintroduce tigers. We have nobody to hold it. So program was hatched immediately with help of Indian Air Force, and two helicopters were summoned to take two tigers away from Ranthambore to be reintroduced into Sariska. Now what was happening here, on one hand helicopters were waiting, all the arrangements were made overnight. Two senior veterinarians, Dr. Malik and Dr. Nigam from Wildlife Institute of India, ready with a tranquilizing gun. The tiger has been identified, localized into one area the previous night. And the morning the operation was to start. Here in the entire Sivai Madhopur area, नारेबाजी was going on. हमारे टाइगर इनको बाहर नहीं जाने देंगे. So there was a lot of confusion. Police bandobast and everything was made. At the same time, this gentleman, Mr. Malhotra, said, "Come what may, tiger तो यहाँ से जाएंगे यार, हर हालत में जाएंगे. Helicopters are ready." So he gave a green signal that as soon as the tiger is in sight, please shoot, tranquilize him immediately, put him in the cage, take the cage to the helipad and take him away. While all this was happening, dramatic situation turned and the cloud burst. Lot of cloud and आंधी तूफान आ गया एकदम से. Now everybody was very confused at what has happened. Will helicopter be able to take off from here at all or not? Then they said, अभी तो बारिश नहीं हुई है. Let us just go on with the program. So a little bit of I hope you understand haka, which is beating of drums, trying to push the tiger towards the guys standing with a tranquilizing gun. And the tiger that was identified as a female, she came in front of the tranquilizing master, that is Dr. Nigam. He took a shot, tiger went down. Within 5 minutes, all the medical examination was done, blood samples taken, measurements done, and immediately put onto the stretcher, into the truck. Helipad was 200 meters away because honestly you can't land a helicopter like that. So there was an open area grassland where the helicopters were waiting. And immediately, within 20 minutes, the tiger was brought into the helicopter and the helicopter took off. As soon as the helicopter took off, the cloud burst took off. Cloud and rain, torrential rain. Somehow the Air Force pilots are very, very experienced. They said, we will take it to Sariska. They tried and flew above the cloud and they started moving towards Sariska. By the time they reached Sariska, the downpour started there as well. So the helipad that was made, temporary helipad, that was inundated. पानी भरा हुआ था पूरा उसके ऊपर. So anyway, they came. Ground के ऊपर Air Force का staff खड़ा हुआ था. They were showing the flag. I was sitting in a jeep about 200 meters away, watching everything was happening. They made sure that the helicopter lands where exactly the platform was. The helicopter, as it lands, there was knee-deep water on that area, and with the pressure of the helicopter, the weight of the helicopter, the cage and the tiger and the staff inside, the helicopter went about 8 inches inside the mud. So I said, whether we will be able to open it, they said that don't worry, it will be opened. So the Air Force guys took over the entire area, they opened the cage, took out the first tiger, the trolley, and took him to the area where he was supposed to be released. There again his examination was done, his heartbeat and everything was normal. So they immediately gave him another shot to revive him, and after that he was released into a stockade. That is how, with so much of difficulty, Sariska was. First tiger was received. Similarly, in 2 days' time, the second tiger was brought. So there was a male and a female. And within 7 days, both of them were together. And I have already given the picture of mating tigers to this organization. This is running this campaign. After that, continuous mating was going on. Breeding was happening. So today, the population of the present Sariska, इसके जो दो मेन फीमेल tigers थे, वो दोनों they were called CP1 and CP2, and they initially provided the stock for the future 40 odd tigers that we have today there. So, sir, इसका की problems खत्म नहीं हुई. Things started looking hunky dory. Population was increasing. We thought चलो सारी समस्याएं खत्म हो गई. Now sir, इसका is going to flourish again. And then thirdly, we hear that the mining lobby has managed to get into the way. And mining lobby had always been trying very hard, to get those